Hi, we're about to do an 8-minute squats, Hindu push-ups Tabata workout. We're going to start out with a squat and reach, so get ready to squat down and reach for the sky, and go. Squat, reach up with your right hand, and squat, reach up with your left hand. Alternating hands. When you squat down, I want you to stick your butt back, have your back at least a 45-degree angle, and touch both ankles with your hands. That'll make sure that you're squatting deep enough. Squat, reach up, squat, reach up. Squat, reach up, and stop and down. Hindu push-ups. Get in that downward dog with your head down and your butt up, feet spread wide apart. And go nose, chest, hips. Lower your nose to the ground, your chest, then your hips. Make sure you bend your elbows. That's the point of this whole thing. And do not sacrifice form for speed. We want you to get the most out of this. Nose, chest, hips. And nose, chest, hips. Stop and up, high knee climbers. Now get ready to run with high knees, and I'll show you how to do the rest. Get ready. And go. High knees from the waist down and ladder climb from the waist up. Make sure you reach above your head like you're climbing a ladder. Go, go, go. Climb that ladder. Stop and down, plank jacks. Now I'm going to show you two ways to do these. Get in a plank and go. Notice how my back is bent a little bit, bowed, and doing a jumping jacks and a plank. Now here is the advanced version where you do a push-up and then you do the jumping jack motion. Now notice the difference. When I do the plank jack push-ups, my back is straight and not bowed. If it's bowed, you'll put all the activation on your shoulders, and you don't want that. Stop and up. Okay, that's the order. Squat and reach. Here we go. It's not going to change. Order's not going to change. Go. Squat and reach up with one hand. Squat and reach up with the other hand. Make sure you squat. Stick your butt back. Bend your knees. Do not just bend from your waist. Squat, reach up one hand. Squat, reach up the other hand. Each time you squat down, make sure you touch the ankles with both hands. Stop and down. Hindu push-ups. Downward dog. Feet wider than shoulder width apart. Head down. And go. Nose, chest, and hips. Nose, chest, hips. Fantastic exercise. My favorite. Great for the shoulders, chest, hips, back, even quads and legs. Stop and up, high knee climbers. Get ready to run in place with high knees. Go, high knees from the waist down, and ladder climb with your hands from the waist up, and have some urgency. I like to pretend that I'm climbing up the side of a building and King Kong's climbing up right under me. So have some urgency, high knees, reach up with your hands. Stop and down, plank jacks. Now you can do the regular ones. You don't have to do the plank jack push-ups. I'm giving you the option. And go. Here's the regular plank jack with your back bowed, your feet going in and out. And there's the plank jack push-up. Down, up, and open and close. Down, up, and open and close. Remember, on the plank jack push-up, your back is straight. Stop. Okay, we're going to take a break. It's going to be for 30 seconds. So take a deep breath. Take a couple sips of water. And hey, are you looking for a fat loss program complete with supplements, meal plans, on-demand online workouts, private coaching, dedicated Facebook page, and online support? Check out the Get Healthy at Home program link in the description. All right, we're going to get ready for round 2. Order's going to be the same. 10 seconds. We're going to start with the squat and reach, so get ready. And go. Squat down, reach up with one hand. Squat down, reach up with the other hand. Remember, stick your butt back at least 45-degree angle. Bend those knees. And exhale as you compress. Inhale as you stand up. So as you compress yourself, exhale, inhale as you stand up. Stop and down, Hindu push-ups. Head down, downward dog, get ready, go. Nose, chest, hips. Lower yourself, nose, chest, hips. Good form. Do not sacrifice form for speed. You want to get the most out of this. And trust me, your heart rate will be up if you do these with good form. Stop and up, high knee climbers. You're a pro at these, you know how to do them now. Get ready, go. High knees and ladder climb. Don't forget to breathe, oxygen is your friend. Climb, climb, climb. Almost like you're Spider-Man climbing up a wall. Stop and down, plank jacks. Now I'm going to do the plank jack push-ups from here on in. So get ready. Go. If you're doing the plank jacks, you're just going in and out with your feet in the plank. But if you're doing the plank jack push-ups like me, you do a push-up, open, close, and push-up and open, close. Either one's fine, whichever meets your fitness level. Stop and up, squat and reach with 2 minutes to go. Hang in there, finish strong, get ready, go. Squat, reach up with one hand, squat, reach up with the other hand. Touch both ankles with your hands as you squat, then reach up with one hand and the other, alternating. And as you compress, exhale. Stop and down, Hindu push-ups. Head down, butt up. Get ready, go. Hey, and I almost forgot to say this. As you do these too, you exhale as you come down, inhale as you go back to the starting position. Nose, chest, hips. Be smooth, because smooth is fast. Stop and up, high knee climbers. 1 minute to go. Get ready. Go, high knees from the waist down, and ladder or wall climb from the waist up, just like you're Spider-Man going up a wall. And you can get your knees up higher than mine are. Get them up higher. I'm an old man. You're younger. Get them up there. Good. Stop and down. Plank jacks. Get ready. Go. I'm doing the plank jack push-ups. You can do those. You can do the regular plank jacks. Either one's fine. Whichever that you can feel that you can do efficiently. Keep going. Stop. Okay. Hey, if somehow this workout was too short for you, all you got to do is rewind it and do it as many times as you want. Like this video if you like it, and click on this video right here for your next fat burning workout. That's it. That's all. See you next time.